Thutha wa guthiururuka kona itiganite bururi-ini magitabania mishemanio ya kambeini rungu rwa gikundi kia Linda Mwananchi. Seneta wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna na gikundi giake maya kurirwo ni Rĩĩtwa riri thutha wa gikundi kimwe kwiyumiria na kuga niyo ene ya kiama kiria kiretwo Linda kiria Rĩĩtwa rinyihitio kuma Liberty National Democratic Alliance. Sifuna oigite matiraruira kiama indi mararuira uhuthiri wa Rĩĩtwa Linda Mwananchi kiama-ini o giothe kiria megucagura mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene.
As we speak, our lawyers are in the Political Parties Disputes Tribunal because we took the registrar to court to say that we do not believe that he has reasons to deny us the name. But I want to be clear here. What we are fighting for is not a party. We have parties. We are fighting for our brand, our name.
Mwandikithia wa ciama ni aregete kwandikithia Rĩĩtwa ria Linda Mwananchi Movement riria riandikithitio ni ngurubu ya Sifuna kumana na itumi ati kuri na kiama kiretwo Linda.
We are the legitimate founders of the Linda party. As we start here, we are here to defend our rights of ownership to the Linda party, and we want to be let to proceed with the process of registration as we started it back in 2024.
Sifuna na thiriti yake matitirithitie kuri na ngurani ya kiama kia Linda na Rĩĩtwa Linda riria marauga ni Rĩĩtwa ria Gĩthwaĩri indi Rĩĩtwa ria kiama kia Linda rinyihitio kuma Gĩthũngũ na uguo marĩĩtwa macio matirarugamirira kindu kimwe.
Wanasemanga akifunga mlango tunaingia na dirisha. So nyinyi kaeni mkijua chama ziko tunataka brand yetu because we have built this thing. You guys have worked so hard to build Linda Mwananchi. People have lost their lives bana because of Linda Mwananchi. We want the registrar to give us our name and we will brand it on whatever party that we choose out of the ones that we have.
Kamiti ya mwanya ira ituithanagia ngarari ciama-ini cia kiuteti yathite mwandikithia wa ciama ndakae kwandikithia Rĩĩtwa Linda Mwananchi kuri gikundi kingi uginya riria cira uria urathie na mbere utuithanitio. Kiama kia Linda nigitikiritio guthie na mbere kwiyandikithia naguo mwena wa Sifuna ugetikirio guthie na mbere kwandikithia kiama kia Mwananchi mwerekera-ini wa gutuithania ngarari. Cira uyu ukagwetwo tariki 14 mweri ukite wa kenda. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Rĩĩtwa rĩakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.